guys, and welcome to another video. It's your boy Swag Rose here, and we're going to be playing with the dogs. Stretching. I feel you, girl. You're like, yeah, I know, I'm the popular one. So, yeah, I'm walking down the steps back. Okay, so, yep. Got a piece of corn. This corn here. Don't know if y'all can see that. It's right here. Right. So, let's see who's the fastest, Dixie or Ratchet. And 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. She said, yeah, I'm a lazy tail. She's like, yeah, I'm a lazy tail. Okay, who can get 2? Dixie. Dixie. I'm going to shine this camera at you. Oh, go get it, girl. Go get it. Go. Get it. Oh, they tied. Ratchet's winning by 1. Dixie. Still trolling. Raining. Let's go get that one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dixie got it, I think. There's Dixie. Dixie! I think Dixie got it. So, yep. It looks like Ratchet won. Wait, we got one more. See who wins this. Where's Dixie? Dixie. Yeah, fine. Dixie! Dixie! Okay. So there. Oh, who's gonna win it? Oh! Ratchet wins by 2. Don't forget, this is the end of the video. Don't forget, leave a like. And subscribe. And I will see you all later. Say bye. Bye.